Alright, we're back in the lane. It's wet. Just the jumps got destroyed last week, so I had to obviously rebuild this lip. It's looking alright. The only problem is now that I've rebuilt the lip, I've realised that I've built it in a bit of the wrong spot, so we have to put the landing and from there and bring it forward a bit, because otherwise that gap's going to be too big for the speed that you get. Yesterday I built a new runway into this new lip which we built. Should be pretty nice. This new lip will serve as a step up, so yeah, let's get right into it. Destroying this landing and bringing it forward. Right now, I don't know what this stuff is. It's somebody's left it here, but it's been good. Finished the landing, looks mega. It's really good. I need to extend it more on this side to jump for another day when it's a little bit less wet. But yeah, it's looking pretty nice. Day one of teaching Ulysses to learn how to suicide. You good? You want to take a break? Alright, this is the Tramp bike line. Finale, I present the double tail whip. Whoa! Oh, my back, man. I tried to bail it too late. Oh. Yeah, well, it's funny. Trampoline bike stacks can get you sometimes when you slam your back into one of these.